We have here the chariot. This is one of the fastest energy in the tarot. And it looks like there is something here that the universe wants you to receive. And it's coming really quick right here. This is really fast. So yeah, let's keep moving. Okay, let's keep moving right here. Wow. So what is this? I'm sensing something positive here for you guys. So let's keep moving. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines. Thank you so much, new subscribers, for being here with us. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your warm love and support. So let's keep moving. Spirits and angel guides, can you please show me more informations? So we do have here this Four of Swords energy. This is something here peaceful. This is something here that will put you in a very calm and very serene situation. And I do pick up that whatever it is, this is something here that will make you feel so ease and alive. So let's keep moving. Tell me more. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Together with the angels and spirit guides, thank you so much. You could be someone here who is highly spiritual or could be intuitive but doesn't have to be. But I'm picking up that you have this kind of grateful heart in you. It's like you are someone here who is so contented here with what you have. And if you will receive some kind of blessings, you're grateful for that. And this is you. You are someone here who is patient. That's what I'm picking up more likely in this type of energy you're embodying. You're being so patient right here, and the universe loves that in you. I think that is so related right here of what's coming towards you quickly. So let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out more informations. Oh, so we have here the Page of Wands energy and the Three of Wands. So you know what I'm picking up right off the bat from here is that there is some kind of a good news that will make you feel excited, that will uplift your soul right here, and you do not see this coming. For a lot of you, this something exciting right here is not yet happening here for you guys, but soon you will definitely receive this. And I'm picking up that it's in the immediate future for a lot of you, but you know this is timeless. Okay, so just take how this resonates here, but there's a good news that's I'm picking up, okay, coming towards you. So yeah, let's keep moving from here. So let's get more information. Wow, we've got the Seven of Coins in reverse, which means, okay, finally, the wait is over. So you could be waiting for this to happen here in your life. You could be waiting for this to come towards you, or you could be waiting to receive this. And finally, the wait is over because it's about to happen to you in the immediate future. And what I love about this one is that this will uplift your soul. This will make you happy. This will make you feel so excited and so alive. That's what I'm picking up. So let's keep moving. Yeah, we've got the sun and there's this Page of Swords energy. You know what I'm picking up from here? The sun and the Page of Swords energy. Look at that. See, I do pick up that this is so lovely to stare. So, whatever form of medium, like let's say you're gonna receive this good news via email or via social media applications like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, okay, WhatsApp or whatever, okay, might be phone call or okay, any form of communication medium, I do see that this is so lovely to stare. This is something here that will definitely brighten your day. So upon receiving this good news, might be in any form of social media, you know, we do have now advanced technology. So I do see that upon receiving this good news, you will be so excited to receive this and you will stare to it. Yeah, like you're gonna reread it many times. You're gonna stare in this type of message that you will receive because this is you. You cannot believe. Like you're gonna be like, is it really happening to me? Is this really real? Like, am I really receiving this beautiful message that I'm seeing right before my eyes? Yes, you will be like this, like it's too good to be true. Like this is something here that could be described as somewhat impossible to happen, but it's gonna happen here for you. You're gonna receive this beautiful good news right here. So yeah, this is yours. I do pick up that you will receive a lot of happiness right here upon receiving this good news. And what I love about this one, this might come in a surprise that's gonna shock you with the Page of Wands energy. Yeah, this is something here that is coming from behind. So it looks like right at this very moment, your angels and spirit guides are now preparing for this beautiful message. It's like this very good stuff. They're preparing this for you to be delivered right at your doorstep. So, wow, claim this beautiful message right here because I know that you deserve this sun energy. A lot of happiness right here. I'm seeing your face so bright. You look so excited. It's like you're speechless about this, whatever the case may be, it's something here that you've waited for. Okay? Others of you for such a long time already, but you've been patiently waiting for this, and now you are about to receive this. So, receive this with your both hands, sweetheart, because this is coming your way. Wow. So let's keep moving. We have here this, yeah, just like what I've said, the presence of this Eight of Wands energy and there's this Seven of Cups, you will definitely be amazed, okay, to this beautiful message that you will receive. So, because this is general reading, you do have here a specific desire or you do have here something that you want to hear. Okay, so whatever that is that makes you feel excited and so happy about, I do see that it's coming towards you. And Eight of Wands energy right at the center of your reading. Okay, this is something here that's coming quickly into your life. So I do pick up that the wait is finally over, and this is you. You're gonna receive this message right here in any form of communication or in any means of communication. You are about to receive this very good stuff. Wow. So I do see that this is you. You will definitely keep your eye on it. You will definitely read it, okay, many times, and this is you. You're gonna stare to it like, wow, you feel so shocked and surprised that this thing that you've been wanting here for quite a long time is now right in front of you, is now in your hands, is now in your life. So I'm seeing that good news traveling fast with this Eight of Wands energy and the presence of Eight of Coins right here. Wow, this is a brand new start, and I'm seeing a lot of coins right here. So it looks like whatever desire is that, okay? This is coming in really slow in your life. There could have delays in the past, but this is something here that is destined for you. So I do see that whatever desire of yours, I do see that this is coming in quickly now. And because you're working a lot, okay, with this a specific desire, you've showed a lot of effort, you've worked on it, you patiently waited for it, and now, okay, I'm seeing you harvesting here all the fruits of your labor. So maybe it has something to do with your stability, like financial stability right here, a brand new start. For some reason, I'm picking up that there could be some kind of inheritance right here for a few of you guys, so just take how this resonates. But for a lot of you, I'm picking up that this is something here, good news when it comes to your financial stability right here. I'm seeing you building here your new house. I'm seeing you buying your own car right here. And I'm seeing that you will definitely expand the money or the pentacles that you will have or that you will receive. So definitely, this is something here that's great for you because you definitely feel so alive and you will definitely see life in a very different version. Yeah, like there's progress here, there's something here like positive changes. That's what I'm picking up, especially when it comes to your money. So if you're struggling right now when it comes to your coins, I'm seeing it changing. I'm seeing it changing and it will change really fast right here. So hold on tight because your situation will definitely improve 101%. Wow, see, we have here the Four of Swords energy. Ace of, yeah, see, look at that. We have here this beautiful combination of Ace of Swords energy, the Wheel of Fortune, and there's this Ten of Wands, which only means that this is you. You're gonna receive this beautiful changes here in your life, and this is something here like a new beginning in a form of a good news. This is communication right here. Someone will be a source right here wherein this good news will come from. So you will receive right here this good news coming from specific person here. So maybe someone here will definitely bring you or tell you this good news and you will definitely hear it out. And whatever, okay, whatever means of communication this person will use, I'm picking up that this good news will bring um a lot of passion back in your life. I'm seeing you right here releasing all of the burdens right here, especially when it comes to your money and coins, pentacles. I do see that your problems will slowly um be resolved right here because I do see that there will be solutions being offered in the immediate future as well. So your Wheel of Fortune starts moving here in your favor, and these changes right here will definitely contribute big time in this new beginning, in this new life that you are creating or building for yourself. For others of you, I'm picking up that you will definitely be celebrating right here, like a getaway together with your loved ones. Could be your family, or you're gonna tag along your friends as well, or you could be, going into a vacation with your soul tribe or your community right here. So I'm seeing you celebrating this new life, and you're gonna feel and you're gonna realize that your situation right here is no longer the situation you're in from your previous situations, okay, that you find so challenging. So your life will definitely improve and you're gonna see the beautiful changes that will happen here in your life. And I do see that this is you will continue to work with this progress, and everything right here will be all right. So for some reason, I'm also picking up that for others of you, this is you're gonna buy something here, might be a treat for yourself. This is something here like new clothes or branded clothes, or this is you could have uh buy here something for yourself, might be new sneakers, okay. And I do pick up that this is something here that you want to give to yourself, like a present here to yourself for being so patient in waiting for this beautiful moment to come into your life. And now that you are finally in this type of situation here, wow, you're definitely telling yourself that it's all worth it. It's all worth it that you've waited this long for these beautiful things to happen and unfold in your life. Yeah. So, if this is you, you are waiting here for someone, like you do not have any relationship romantically right now, I'm seeing someone here coming towards you. And this will feel like a fairy tale here. This king, this queen, or this prince or princess right here will definitely help you to wake up in a reality that fairy tale is definitely real and can happen in your reality. This new person who will arrive in your life, who is suited as your queen or king or prince or princess. We do not have any gender right here, but whoever that is, that person will take your connection to the next level. Like you never imagined that this person here is definitely yours. Wow! So claim this beautiful message right here, sweetheart, because I know that you deserve this, okay? Take all of these messages right here to your life because this is something here that is definitely yours for the taking. So, what are you waiting for? Claim, 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 claim. Claim all of these beautiful stuffs right here, sweetheart. Thank you so much for your time. Love and light.